Welcome back, Patriot Pyro here. We're doing a product review on an exclusive product specifically from Sky King Fireworks. This is first look, no one's ever seen it, hasn't been recorded or anything like that. So let's get into it. We're gonna do a review today on what's called Chem Trails. It's by Heavy Load, which is a Sky King Fireworks company. It's got 25 shots with an 0.8-inch tube caliber, 200 gram cake, loud, high level, straight up aerial. Duration is 30 seconds. The colors are gold, blue, green, and red down there at the bottom. Effects include my favorite, Nishiki, Willows, glitter, stars. I'm going to show you guys what it is right there on the package if you guys can see it. It's pretty nice. The effects are really good for a 200 gram cake. This is what I've been looking for actually. So good effects, really good effects for a 200 gram cake. So at this point in time, I'm possibly going to say it's my new favorite 200 gram cake. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you liked it, let me know. Tell me what you liked about it. Also, don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button for future notifications. All right, guys. Well, it's time to shoot it off. Let's take it out to the range. See how it works. See how it does. Patriot Pyro out.